discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.